Now next step after this is to build a corridor based using this assembly, following the alignment. This is horizontal, alignment. This is for the vertical design. Okay, so both are here. So now we have alignment 2. So let's go ahead and say in the corridor, go ahead and say corridor, click corridor. So this will create a new corridor. You can select, you can again rename it, say tutorial corridor. Okay, I will say tutorial corridor. Style is basic, alignment and profile. Baseline is alignment and profile. Okay, alignment we have and profile we have already. So alignment is this and the design profile is the design profile. Assembly, we just have only one. We select the base assembly, and target surface for this will our surface, which is the ground. Okay, and set baseline and vision parameter, we keep it default and say okay. Now another window will pop out. We have already selected all the targets and everything, so we say just okay, and it will say rebuild corridor. So no problem, we just say okay, rebuild, and it will build a corridor for us. Okay, so now the corridor has been built. Okay, so you see the road is ready. Okay, it has been built. So these parts where you see the, it is in red, it is by default cut part. The ones which are in green are fill part. Okay, so these parts are fill, and these parts are in cut. You can verify this by using, by you say okay 880. So we go to the profile view and say 880. So from where here you see this is cut part. Okay, and where there is fill part, it will be in green. You see these parts are in fill. Okay, so this is reflected here, and you see the outer line which these lines, outer lines, they are just signifying the embankment two of the embankment as per the design, our assembly, as per our assembly. Okay,